Hey, host friend, your apartment is clean, your photos are stunning, your location is top notch, but your reviews are stuck at 4.2 and you're wondering what you are doing wrong. Let me tell you the truth that most Airbnb hosts never hear. Your space isn't the problem, your guest communication is. Hooked? Good. Let's go deeper. As a co host managing multiple listings, I've helped hosts go from frustrating 3-star reviews to consistent 5-star experiences without spending more on furniture or decor. Let me show you the biggest mistake I see and the simple fix that changes everything. I recently took over a listing in a prime area, clean, affordable, modern, but the host just couldn't get past 4.1 stars. So I booked a stay myself to see what was going on. And guess what? The space was great, but the communication was cold, robotic, and honestly kinda dry. Here is the message I got before checking. Please arrive between 3 and 9 p.m. House rules attached. That's it. No greeting. No hi, Angela. No excitement or warmth. Guys, don't forget that kind of vibe. They might not say it out loud, but it shows up in the review as okay stay, nothing special. Here's what I changed in 48 hours. I added the guest's first name. I included a warm welcome message. I dropped in my favorite local food spots and I asked if they had any questions before arrival. It was quick, personal, and made the guest feel like a VIP, not just a booking. Then I sent a quick mid-stay message. Hey, guest name, just checking in. Hope everything is going great. Let me know if you need anything at all. It takes 30 seconds to send, but makes a massive impact. Within 3 weeks, that host average review jumped to 4.8 stars. Guest mentioned great communication, felt looked after, and even said they would rebook just for the service. That's the power of systemized, personalized communication. So if you're struggling with reviews, don't change your sofa. Don't upgrade your kitchen just yet. Fix your guest experience system. Here's what you can start doing today. Create a three-part messaging flow. Booking confirmation, pre-check-in welcome, mid-stay check-in. Personalize it. Always use their name. Be human, be warm, anticipate questions. You are not just running a rental, you are creating a guest experience. And that starts with how you make people feel before they even arrive. Once my exact guest messaging scripts that help boost listens to 5 stars, DM me 5 stars on Instagram or comment below and I'll send it to you. Because your apartment isn't the problem, your systems are. Let's fix that together. See you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.